Hello and welcome back to my vlog channel, guys. All right, so you guys haven't seen the Irish potato in a while. Look at the Irish potato. It's very windy, guys, so the background is going to be windy probably when you're listening to it. However, that's not going to stop me from showing off my Irish potato farm. They are so pretty. Some of them even starting to bloom already. If you can see that white flowering. So, we know that we soon get Irish potato. Why, show me used to my sweet potato over in this hand. So we're going to just reap off, we're going to haul off the entire field. We call it hauling off. We're going to dig up the entire field of sweet potato next week. And then we're going to put in some sweet peppers. So we change up the plants a little. So we're going to put sweet peppers from at the top here, go all the way to the bottom, which is a quarter acre of sweet pepper. But we're going to set up our drip irrigation system on the sweet pepper here. All right, and Bubba Man is on the farm. Feel cowboy.
Man, sister.
Yes, yes.
Sister, you know?
Yes. So we have corns coming on. I forgot to pick them, man. And look, what if I okra upon the okra tree? Huh? Yeah. Careful, Azania. We're going to pick some okra and corns, alright?
Okay.
Oh my God. These little young boys and their bikes. Here.
Feel. It feels drippy. Ow.
You want a knife to cut it. Because I'm recording with one hand and I have to be using one hand. I'm going to have to get a knife and reap these okras. Alright, let's go over here to this pumpkin. I'm going to pick this pumpkin because it's ready. Been ready for a while. So I'm going to pick it.
Whoa.
It's a big one. Overfit.
Whoa.
Break off.
Man,
Massive pumpkin, Bubble.
you cross here, see?
Yeah.
Yeah, take it up and take your foot and more about the potato. It's on a bunny.
Oh, that one here. Oh, yeah, me see. What's that? The fever gone now.
Good morning.
She tell you good morning because you just start talk to her. She never get to say morning. I just going to reap the potato here, Bubba. Yeah. Pretty, no? Yeah? Now then say some people call it ganja, some people call it shrimp. Pretty, you know? Not true? These ones them plant late out, you know? And then still beer. Which one again you saw me for mold back? Oh, sorry, Asmin. Excuse me. Oh, this one.
This. Oh.
This one is a nice one to roast.
Me.
Mm.
Hands.
Ants biting you? Alright, go on over. Let me pack up the stuff. No, me I go help you, man, but oh, you mean come see. I go pick some corn. Where you going with the bag?
Ants bite me.
Alright, I'm gonna take over since Ants is eating you up. So I reap a few things from the farm to cook. Pumpkin I'm gonna share up and give away. I have corn, I have string bean, I have okra in there, and a sweet potato. I'm waiting for Scotty to come to reap off the rest of sweet potato. And I have some more corn here that I'm going to be reaping. Alright. Let me see how I can set up this so you can actually see me. So I'm going to let you see what these corns look like. Nice corn. Nice and clean. You know this corn is fully developed because you can see the size of the corn seeds. Very big. So you clean off all the hair from the corn. Clean everything, make it clean. So when you jerking, cooking, you know, some people roast it, some people jerk it, some people boil it, put it in soup, all kind of things you can do with corn. Alright, so I just wanted you guys to see what one of the corns look like that I'm reaping. So I got these custard apples from a custard apple tree that is actually very close to my farm, but there was some maca bush, a lot of thorns around the area that I have to walk to get to the tree, so I just asked a young man to pick some for me. So if you haven't seen custard apples in a while, these are custard apples and I'm going to enjoy. So guys, we got this green mesh the other day from a friend because people let go them goat, big goats, small goats, and the goats creating havoc on the farm. In the Irish potato and the red peas, these are red peas, and this area that you see plow up right here, this section is all string beans, and we're gonna continue over that section with more string beans. And so I can't afford to invest my money and put it into the farm and then people, animals mashing it down. So since they don't want to tie the animals, I'm just left with the option of mashing it around and to see how I can, you know, get back something out of what I put in. And because we had rains yesterday and the day before, some of the string beans already start bursting, which is good and I'm excited about. And I'm gonna get quite a few string beans from this little patch here. So we planted some last week and we're gonna plant some over here next week. You see, by the time this one is ready, that one is coming up again. So that's what I plan to do. Over here now, we had reaped some of the carrots. We have some more carrots to reap, but I want to show you something over this section. Alright, over this section you can see we start cleaning up this section, going down that side. So we're gonna go over more to the right hand side, and we're gonna spread out the land to down that side, make it wider, and we're going to plant it up with sweet potato. So when we pull off this sweet potato here, we're going to use this the sweet potato slips to farm on this section right here, going down and all the way across below the pineapples. And you can see the pineapple them look good over here. And we even having a few melon. Let me see if you can see the melon from here. I'm trying to see the melon. Oh, there the melon is. There's another small one on it as well. But pineapples are looking healthy. This is what we've been using on the farm. Let me show you. Let me zoom it back out. This is what we've been using. Fowl manure, we call it, or chicken manure, which is the best thing. Natural fertilizer is the best thing for your crop. So I use it along with the liquid organic fertilizer from Mr. Lex Turner. So Cowboy clean off this section here. We have another section to clean over there, and we're going to plant it up with sweet potatoes. And this tree we have here, we're going to chop it down and burn it because it has too much shade, and Irish and sweet potato doesn't do well with shade. Just like the carrots, some of the carrots didn't come as we expected because it was getting a lot of shade from this tree. So this tree is really it's a kachamaka tree they call it. So it, you know, so the tree has to go. The tree must go. Sometimes we have to sacrifice some trees to plant some food to put in our body. That's just the thing. Alright. So we're gonna push over the farm a little more to the right and to the left at the bottom there. And we're gonna spread out the sweet potato. So that's the latest update on my farm. So this is what we've done with the green mesh so far to keep out the goats, and we still have to stretch it, go across more. Cowboy is going to dig some more post holes and put some more posts going across. Thank you guys so much for watching my vlog channel. Alright, remember